Oh my goodness, the tropical storm is here. Oh, I'm getting wet. And they's out over there golfing. I don't know, the car just left. Yeah, I'm sitting right on the golf course. Open up the gate over there and I can go over there and golf. Got a car and everything. Look how windy. I mean, it is really windy. Very windy. Golly. Oh, Jesus, I'm getting wet. Yes, the trees are blowing. My goodness. 20, 30 miles an hour? I don't know, but it's very much. I had to bring some of my stuff in. It was blowing all over the place. But we had a tropical storm yesterday, another day, and a couple of things on the ground. The pool had so much stuff in it. I couldn't do no exercise because of the wind. It was raining a little bit. Sit around and wait. Everybody have a good day. I might need a boat in a minute.